Hello everybody, we're still looking at the combination of vowels. You remember what the vowels are? That's a, e, I, o, and u, right? All of those. So now we're going to look at this. What happens when we put the a and the I together? Well, it makes a whole new sound. And we don't say a, do we? Right. When we go a, I, it gives us the sound a. That sounds very odd. A. But let me show you. I'm going to write a word up here and see if you can tell me what it says. Look at this. Pain. P-A-N. Pain. Right? So see what we've done is it's nice and long there. Pain. I should have done this in black. Let me do the next one in black for you. Alright? How about this? Let's have a look at this word. Gain. Gain, right? Look at what we've got here. Gain, right? It sounds like a. And one more, something that's happening right at the moment as I'm recording. There's a lot of it happening here while I'm recording, and it is this. Look at this. Right? It's not ra'in. We got r-a-in, no. It's got a long sound, so we put a line across the top, and we say it is rain. Rain. All right. So let's have a look at it again. So let's recap. An a and an I together gives us the a sound. Like we have pain. That's when you hurt yourself. It's paining, it's sore. All right. Pain. We have gain. Gain. And we have rain. Rain. But now, if we have to put these two together, the a and the y, the a and the y, do you know we get the same sound? We also get an a. A. Look at this. Check this out. We have pay, right? It's what you have to do if you go for a holiday, because you have to pay in order to stay. Look at that. You pay to stay. Now, we've got a, pay. So once again, that is long. We've got a, a. So once again, that is long. So when you look at these words, when you see a and I together, or you see a and ya together, you know that it has the sound a. So let's have a look at this again. Ain, gain, rain, rain, gain, pain. We're a, right. What do we get if we put a and wa together? Do we get awa? Awa? No. That is actually or. Or. What does a dog have at the end of its legs? What are those four things at the end of a dog's legs? Or end of a cat's legs? Right? It is one of these things. Look at that. Now you know what that is, don't you? It's not a pa'awa. It's not a pa'awa. It is a paw. So the a and the wa is long. It goes paw. Alright? What do you think of that one? What about that thing that you cut wood with? Spelled like this. S-A-W. It's sour. Sour. No. Because the a and the w together go or, it now becomes saw. Saw. It's a saw. Well, have a look around. Speak to your teachers. Your teachers will show you all sorts of other words with these exciting sounds. And if you look in the little books that you have, you will also find an example of letters and words that have a, and o in them. See if you can recognize them and have fun doing that exercise. Cheers.